Alright fellas, real quick here. Got this Harbor Freight for free because there's a coupon. It's already starting to fucking fall apart. But it's 4-in-1. Going to keep it in the truck because, well, if I lose this, who gives a shit? It was free. Plus it has all the common sizes. It's got number 2 and number 1 for Phillips, and then, you know, your pry bars. But yeah, good deal, especially for free. This is what I went to get, and used the 20% off coupon for it. I think it ended up being $17.43, if you can see it. Pretty cheap for pass-through sockets, especially since you don't use them very often. One of the reasons I went with this is because of that 3/4 design on there. You know, of course it all works all the time. Forward, reverse. But only has one extension, unless you come in here and you use your 19mm and your 3/4, because, well, everyone knows 19 and 3/4 are fucking the same. So there you go, even longer extension if you need a different size. You know, like this here, 11/16. Throw that bastard on there and you're in business. Give you a little bit extra longer reach there. So those other sockets you can't do that with, because they are all proprietary. Which means if they don't want you to have it, you're not going to have it. These offer just a little bit more flexibility than the regular sets, and I'll show you what I is talking about. Right here with this set. Went to junkyard last year to rip out a CD player for my old lady's car, because some idiot broke in the car and they took the tray out from the 6-disc changer, but didn't take the fucking stereo. So I had to go out and I had to take a whole stereo out of the junkyard to get the fucking plastic piece that holds the 6 CDs in. But so I went ahead and bought this little Husky set here, which if you notice has these little lanes and grooves on them that only work with Husky, or maybe other similarly styled pass-through sets. But that's all the further extension you're going to get with this, because you can't fit anything else in there. If you got a 1/2 inch bolt or nut you're trying to get to, that's the further you got to reach on this. Any further than that, you're SOL. I think most people actually buy these for the low profile of the socket there. Let me see. Another thing, it's really fucking hard to get these damn things out of there. There is the difference right there between 3/8 on a snap-on 1/4 inch and that 1/4 inch drive pass-through from Husky. mean, it's not a whole lot, but it is something. If you need it, it's a lot. Yeah, that proprietary, that shit sucks. You know, you want to get something that can work with as much as you can. Have many different options. You're going to have as many options as you can trying to get one of them pesky fasteners out. This, you can actually throw a wrench on it, you know. Give you the 15-degree offset there if that's what you need, since this is straight. And I don't think they make a flex head one yet. I did know though, the other day I was at Lowe's, I was looking through their stuff, and their system is actually the same as the Pittsburgh set. I took some pictures. I'll go ahead and put them at the end of this video so that you guys can see what it is. But Cobalt may actually end up making one of these with a flex head. That'll be way more handy. But you know, you could always put this on, get you a ratcheting wrench. That's even more handy. But that was the reason I went with this for a pass-through. Not really going to use it, probably hardly ever. But when I do, it's there. Plus, it's 18 bucks. I mean, I wasted that on a shitty pizza. So, and this will be here forever. Anyway, it's just my thoughts and opinions on it. But, thanks for watching. Love, hate, share, subscribe. You want to send me something cool, send me an email, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. And don't send me no panties, they never fit.